United we stand, divided we fall. This is a very famous proverb that clearly upholds the value and importance of unity. It means if we work together, nothing can stop us from being successful. It always reminds us lack of unity can be extremely dangerous and destructive. The origin of this proverb can be traced back to the writings of the ancient storyteller Aesop. Once a lion noticed 4 oxen grazing in the meadow. He made an attempt to kill one of them, but the lion failed because when he came near, the oxen turned their tails to one another. As a result, whichever way he approached them, he was met by the horns of the oxen. Days passed, and the lion was waiting for an opportunity. One morning, there was a quarrel among the oxen, and each went off to the field alone. The lion, waiting for an opportunity, attacked and killed all the 4 oxen one by one. This story underlines the significance of unity. You might have also heard the story of an old man who lived in a village with his 3 sons. The sons always fought with each other, and the father was very much worried about their future. Finally, he decided to teach his children the relevance of unity. He called all his sons and asked them to break a bundle of sticks. None of them could do it. He then untied the bundle and gave them 1 stick each. No wonder they could easily break them. The father advised his sons to stay together like the bundle of sticks so that no one could break them. But if they kept on fighting and got separated, they would be broken by the outsiders easily. If we look back into the history of our country, we can find numerous examples of unity playing a key role in deciding its destiny. For example, what really helped the British to conquer India was nothing but lack of unity and cooperation among the Indian states. They also implemented the policy of divide and rule, and it helped them to enforce their rule on India. Finally, once we were united under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, the British couldn't withstand our power, and the rest is history. In a diverse country like India, unity plays a significant role and helps the state achieve success in various fields. Staying united is necessary for each area of life, be it in the family, school, sports, or society. Unity helps in distributing work and thereby makes it easy to achieve a particular goal. Unity makes every work easy, and the feeling of togetherness helps us in hard times. Today, there is division everywhere. There is no unity in families or countries. So, it is our responsibility to develop unity among the people. We think of making our country a superpower, but it is possible only when we are united. Selfishness is a danger to unity. Selfishness means to think of one's own profit. A selfish man doesn't mind what happens to others. He thinks of only the personal achievements. In other words, give up selfishness and remain united. We need to work as a team, which means together everyone achieves more.